Hi, I'm Charlotte, bed expert here at Land of Beds, and today I'm going to give you my honest and independent review of one of our top selling mattresses. And today we're going to take a closer look at the Viva Eco Hybrid Mattress. This is a medium to firm tension and contains pocket springs with graphite memory foam. This mattress is a true medium to firm tension, so it's perfect for those who tend to change their sleeping position at night, and ideal for those who sleep on their back, front or their side. The Eco Hybrid is a one-sided mattress, which means there's no need to flip it upside down, but you must try and rotate it. But don't worry, it's super easy to do because you have the handles on the side. Containing just under 1,700 pocket springs, the Viva Eco Hybrid will give you and your sleeping partner the best support. As well as this, it also contains the graphite memory foam, which helps to move heat away from the body, keeping you feeling cooler and fresher throughout the night. So if you want to know any more about this mattress or any other mattress that we have online, get in touch with one of our bed experts today and we'll point you in the right direction to a great night's sleep.